How to use Find My Device on Android. Hello guys, if you have probably lost some mobiles or any other device like Android, then you can simply, what you can do is simply head over to your browser, any of the browser, and inside the browser just type in the word Find My Device. Once you get inside the Find My Device option here, click on the first side and head inside, and as you can see there is sign in option. Simply sign in, and for example, let's say I would want to sign in with this option, this Gmail account, and as you can see it will share my last location and with the device name, and it can also save the sound, play the sound to ring on this device, and you can also secure your device from its factory reset your device as long as the location is on. So it might be helpful when your mobile device is lost, and you can, and if its location is turned on, then you can quickly secure it by following this option over here. So hope that was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.